Hello children, welcome to biology class. From the lesson Biodiversity and Conservation, let's discuss some of the long answer type questions now. First one, explain how species diversity of an area is reduced by the invasion of an alien species or foreign species. Children, what happens when an alien species reaches to a particular habitat? Some of the species resort to invasion, thereby causing declination or extinction of native species, isn't it? So, as example, lots of example we discuss while we discuss these topics. So, you can write the example. Okay. So, that question is okay. Next one. How can the loss of biodiversity be prevented? How can we prevent the loss of biodiversity? By natural conservation or protection of useful plants and animals in their natural habitat. Then conserving crucial habitats like breeding and feeding areas and those areas which help for the growth and multiplication of endangered species. Okay, so protect those hotspots. Then regulation or banning hunting activities. Then through bilateral or multilateral agreements, habitats of migratory entities should be conserved. Then spreading awareness of the significance of conservation of biodiversity. Then avoiding overexploitation of natural resources. Next question. Besides the relationship used by Paul Ehrlich, can you arrive at a scientific explanation to explain the direct association between stability and diversity of an ecosystem? So, how can we write? Consider a scenario where diverse species are growing. Plants nurture a diversity of species on which an assemblage of insect species are dependent for their food requirements. Children, the dependence severely affect the relying insect species due to unavailability of food when this particular plant species die. Isn't it? Additionally, if the plant was nitrogen fixer, what happened? The death of the plant would indicate no restoration of soil nutrients with nitrogen. Okay, so like that you can explain it. Then explain the ecosystem services. Which are the ecosystem services? Simple, direct question. Water and air purification, drought and flood alleviation, then cycling nutrients, fertile soil generation, then rendering wildlife habitat, then promoting biodiversity, then crop pollination, provision of storage site for carbon, facilitating with cultural, aesthetic and spiritual values. Okay. Next one. Why does diversity among species decline as we move away from the equator? For the lots of hypotheses are there. You can write them. You can write those hypotheses here. Next one. Before that, I will read the answer. It is because a decline in temperature causes the state to become severe. We know that there is a dip in the intensity and amount of solar radiations, and also a decrease in the vegetation is observed. Availability of resources is less to support the assemblage of species. Harsh conditions make the adaptations and survival of species difficult, which result in a decrease of biodiversity as we approach the poles. Okay, for this question, if the question is for 5 marks or 3 marks, you can include the hypothesis too. Okay, 3 hypotheses we discussed. Then write note on the Rivet-Popper hypothesis. Do you remember Rivet-Popper hypothesis? How he compare Rivet and Popper with the population? He suggested the hypothesis to understand the benefaction of species richness, isn't it, which he arrived at by comparing each species with rivet seen in the aeroplane body. Isn't it? It demonstrates that ecosystem to be an aeroplane and a species, that means the rivet holding together all the parts. Species as compared with the rivet. If each passenger began to take rivet home, that means depicting species extinction, it may hardly affect the safety of the flight initially, representing stable functioning of the ecosystem. Okay, eventually the plane becomes fragile and crash, implying species become endangered and ultimately extinct. Okay, so from the part ecology, we know that in the revised syllabus only 2 lessons are there. The first one was population and organism and population. Then this one biodiversity and conservation. Children can expect different types of application level questions from this part. Okay, so you have to read the textbook thoroughly. Okay. Next week we can discuss human reproduction. Okay, so study well, children. Thank you.